Hello, everybody. I'm really happy to be able to share with you some of the best tips and secrets and knowledge I have on propolis, knowledge which I collected in the last about 30 years of experience, especially clinical experience. And let me share with you the screen. And we'll start pretty soon. You see here. Let's wait a bit. Probably we must to click 2 times to activate this, or to do another way, to go here. Yes, this is faster. Let's go again. So we go here. Okay. If I put it here, let's go here. Still go from the beginning. Okay. Okay. So what is new in propolis in modern medicine? Blah, 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 blah. Na, 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 na. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much for your attention, and please write me an email on or call me. Call me. Oh, stop. Stop recording. Stop recording. Stop recording.